Hey, I'm Guy Quidell, founder and CEO of Intelligent Design Manufacturing. We're here to talk about the X-Scrub Max 20. It's a 15-gallon, 20-inch, traction drive, battery, automatic floor scrubber. They put water down, scrub the surface, suck the water back up. They come with a pad driver and a brush, and you can get other optional brushes that go with them for any type of surface that you have. They're 20-inch with a magnetic hub, so you can change out from a pad driver to optional brushes to cover any type of surface that you have. From nursing homes to K-12, to CrossFits, to gyms, to office buildings. These units put down water, scrub the floor, and suck the water back up. Easy to operate, easy to move around. Drop the brush onto the floor, the water and the brush comes on. You drop the squeegee to the ground, the vacuum comes on. When you raise up the squeegee, it turns off automatically. When you raise up the brush, it turns off the brush and water automatically. Very easy to pivot around, very easy to maneuver. We've got a high quality aluminum frame squeegee, stainless steel straps. In the box comes a charger, a squeegee, a pad driver, a brush, and the unit. These units are going to replace the mop, and they do a whole lot better job picking up that soil. We want to remove the soil, not move the soil. If you'd like more information, please give us a call or fill out the form. We'd love the opportunity to see any more information.